Just 1 glass in the morning to eliminate the fat and start losing weight. Drink it without abusing it. Today we will learn 2 powerful homemade recipes to lose weight. This first recipe will help you quickly lose unwanted fat. It contains vitamins and minerals that help the skin, hair, and stimulates digestion. The second recipe is a powerful drink, very simple to make, and that also brings incredible results. What both recipes have in common is the plan, and soon we will understand why. An Australian university has conducted research for the production of a superfood. In the laboratory, the university used mice for an experiment, which consisted of a rich diet in carbohydrates and fat. The result was the animals developed serious health problems, such as fat liver, hypertension, and high blood sugar. To reverse this situation, experts have applied plant juice, which has up to 5 times the levels of antioxidants, a powerful antioxidant that, among other things, controls cholesterol, prevents cardiovascular disease, and accelerates weight loss. The result was impressive. It is already proven that plant is very beneficial for those who want to lose weight. For this reason, the tip we brought here is a plant-based. Homemade slimming recipes with plant. Ingredients: 300 milliliters natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons oats, 1 tablespoon flaxseed, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 7 plants. Preparation: put the plant in a pan with 100 milliliters of freshly boiled water and cook them 7 to 10 minutes. When they are cooked, cover the pan and cook for another 7 minutes. Add the oats in another container, along with flaxseed and cacao. Then insert the yogurt and stir well. Remove the plants from the pan, cut them into small pieces and place in the mixture. Stir everything and restore in the refrigerator. Prepare this breakfast in the evening before. When you get up, you will have a super healthy and delicious food that is a real pump that will help you to lose weight. For the second recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 liter of water, 100 grams of prawns. How to prepare? Put a quart of water in a jar and then pour the prawns inside it. Take it then to the refrigerator, let it then to soak in the water for 7 days. After that, put everything in the blender and mix well. Then stir this mixture. Drink a glass of this drink every morning and prove the results. You can drink for up to 30 days in a row. It is clear that only 1 liter will not last for 30 days, but when the first mixture is over, you can make another one, just as we explain it. If you enjoyed the video, like and sign up for the channel. And don't forget to share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!